Dear student, welcome to my channel Math from Basic. I have to solve exercise 1A. It's question number 8. See here, question number 8. Use a calculator to evaluate. We have to use calculator to find the value of each of the following. These questions are given and we have to find the values. Leaving your answer correct to 4 decimal places. Our answer should have 4 digits after decimal point. Where necessary, where there is point, there we will try to keep 4 digit after decimal point. Now let us solve these. Yes student, see its first question. 7 square minus 361 under root plus 21 cube. We have to solve it by using calculator. Dear student, see here calculator. I have turned it on. Now see 7 square. We have to find 7 square. What is the answer of 7 square? With the help of calculator, you will write 7 first, and then to find its square, you will write x square. You will press this key x square. So screen shows 7 square. Now you will press equal sign to get the answer. This is equal sign. The answer is 49. Now minus sign here, and 361 is under root. So first you will press under root key. This is under root key. Now press 361, 3, 6 and 1. Now it is pressed. 361. Now we will find its answer. Its answer is 19. Now we will write here 19. Then there is 21 cube. So you will find 21 cube. First press AC so that our screen turns to 0. Now to find the cube of 21, you will write 21 first. 21. Then to get cube, you see that where is x square key, at the top of the key is written x square, while at the side of the key is written x cube. To get the second function x cube, we will press shift key first. I have pressed shift key, and calculator screen shows s here. It means that shift key has been pressed precisely. Now you will write, you will press x square key. After pressing x square key, its second function shows 21 cube. So we will find the value of 21 cube by pressing equal sign. The answer is 9261. 9261. Now you see that this 9261 carries positive sign, and 49 also carries positive sign, because both have same sign. So you will add these two first, write these together, plus 49. If there is no sign, you will say that it is of positive sign, and plus 9261. This is 19 carries negative sign, so 19 will be written here along with its negative sign. Now you will add these two to get the answer of these two numbers. Add these with the help of calculator. There is also written 9261. You will add 49 in it, so you will press plus sign, and then you will write 49. The answer is 9310. 9310 is our answer from these two numbers. Now you will subtract 19 from 9310. So you will press negative sign, because 9310 is already written there. From this answer I will subtract 19. After subtracting 19, you will get the answer 9291, which is the required answer of this question. Now let us solve second part. Dear student, next part is 555 under root plus 5 square over 2 square multiply by double two 22 under root 2222 whole square root. So you will find calculate with the help of calculator, and you will find its value. Now you know that we have to find the square root of 555. First you will press square root sign, then you will press 555, the you will press equal sign, and you have 23.5584. We will write up to 4 decimal places. 23.5584. After a point you will get 4 digit only, 1 2 3 4. According to the statement of the question, you will write only 4 digit, you will leave all the other digits. Now 5 square, to get 5 square, you know how to get 5 square. You will write 5 and then you will press x square key, then you will get 25. This is 25. Now 2 square, in the same way you will get 2 square, you will write 2 and then you will press square key, so answer is 4. Then multiplication sign, and you will find under root of this number, so you will press under root key and then you will write 2 2 2 and 2. 4 times 2 is there. To get its answer, you will press equal sign. The answer is 47.138. Then there is 0. You will write only 4 digit after decimal place, after decimal point. Now you will add these two. Now add these two. 23.5584 plus 25. So after adding these, I have got 48.5584. Now you will write this line of over or division. Now you will write, you will find product of these two number. 4 will be multiplied by this number to get its product. So multiply 4 by first make it 0 0. 4 multiply by 47.1380. This is the number. Press equal sign to get the final answer. The final answer is 188.552. After point there are 3 digits, so it is up to 3 decimal places. Now you will divide this number by this number to get the final answer. Let us divide 48.5584 divided by 188.552. Press equal sign, and after pressing equal sign I have got the answer, that is 0.2575 up to 4 decimal places. This is our required answer. The answer in your textbook is wrong because maybe there is some typing mistake. Dear students, see this question. 4 square plus 4913 under root, this first under root, and then there is whole under root. We have to solve it with the help of calculator. First find the square of 4. To get the square of 4, you will write 4, then you will press square key and you will get the answer, that is 16. So 16 here plus, then 4913 has under root sign, this under root, so we will find the under root of this number, then you will get its answer. So you first press under root, then 49 13, now press equal sign, you will get the answer 70.0927. Now you see that this under root is under root sign is yet there, so you will write this under root sign yet. Now you will add these two. First add these two, sorry, which we can add with the same existing number. Now I am writing again 70.0927 plus 16. This is the answer, 86. 86.0927, this under root sign. Now to find the under root of this, you will press under root only, under root sign, and then you will press equal sign. The under root of the answer is 9.2786. This is our final answer. Dear student, I hope you will be fully aware how to use calculator for these simple sums. If you are understanding, then also share with your dear ones. Thanks. Take care.